Here we're going to do the back brakes on the Harley Sportster 883. What I like about these is it's real simple to change. You're going to get a screwdriver, put it right here on the old pad. You don't really need it. You gradually push like this to push the pump in. When it's all pumped in, when it's all pushed in, then this, you're going to have space for the next one, for the new one you're going to come in. So then what you're going to do is take the little black screw, take it up, crack it, take it off. This little screw right here, you're going to take off. After that, take the little screw out of the bolt from it, loosen it up, take it out. Just unscrew it all completely out. You're gonna take this pin out, and this is what I like about it. All you gotta do is boom. Once you do that, here goes one brake, and here's the next one. Pop. On the other bikes, you have two holes to hold them in. This one just slips in right in, poof, puts it in, that's it. That's the old ones. Now these are the new ones. And all you do the same thing is put them in. Now here on the bottom, right here, there's a little thing right here like this. This is the new one, but the old one's still the good. That's where you put the bottom of the brakes pad. Once you already put them all in, you get the pin back and put them right back in, one at a time. That's basically what you do. Go back up here. Just tighten it up a little bit. Get the screw back. And you put it back on. And that's all you do. Basically, and you come back over here and check your oil, and it's right back up again. That's what you do with the changing the back brake on the Sportster 883 from Harley. If you like this kind of film, subscribe for future updates. Press the button for the little bell, and share with your friends and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.